video we saw how to read the config file, which was a JSON file. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to read the configuration file, which is an INI file. Okay, that is here. So first I'm going to import a library or a module that is called ConfigParser. So I will just import that. Okay, ConfigParser. This will allow you to read the content of an INI file. So let's create a function here. It's going to be read INI config. Okay, and within this I'm going to have the file path. And also down here I'm going to have the config. This config is equal to configparser dot configparser, which is a method. Okay, let's try, and within this try I will use config dot read to read the data which is into the file path. Okay, I will provide the file path, so and then we can return the config. Perfect. After that, I'm going to handle the except. An exception here is going to be an error. Okay, config parser dot error as e. And down here we can print a statement, and this is going to be a statement like error reading INI config file. And also let's provide path for the file as well. Okay, so file path, and also right over here provide the error which is e. Perfect. Now I handled the exception as well. We are not gonna have any more exception, I think, about this. And now it is time to go with example usage. So the first thing I need is the config parser. So it's going to be equal to read underscore INI config, and here I'm going to have a config.ini. So what is that? That is over here. Okay, that's the file that we provided. Okay, and here let's use an if condition and config parser. If config parser, then if you have it, okay, then that means if you have it, then it will return true. When it's true, we can go with sections. So this section, first we need to use config parser dot sections. Okay, it's a function, and down here I'm going to print this. So it's gonna be sections, and then here provide the sections that you just got it. And after that I'm going to go through this to read the data. So I will use a for loop for section and sections. So within this for loop I will read it and I will print them here. So how can I do that? So let's go with section and space options. Okay, so here provide the config parser dot options, and here just provide the section. Okay, not sections. So now it is finished. Okay, it is time to go to the INI file and provide the INI data within this file. Okay, so the first thing you need is the first section, I think. Okay, so here you need to provide a database. Okay, it's a database, and hit enter. It's gonna be a host. Host is equal to localhost, and hit enter. We have a port for this. Port is equal to 5432. And also we need a username, so the username is going to be admin, and also we need a password, so the password is equal to admin123. And let's go with another section. This section is going to be logging, and level, okay, it's equal to info, for example. And also we have a file path, so this file path is going to be var. Okay, it's something that I'm adding. Okay, you can add anything else you want. Okay, you will be able to have your own config.ini from your own database. Okay, so for me I am adding this data about a database. Okay, so it's the localhost. And now when I run this, let's go and run it, see what is going to happen. Are we able to read it or not? So what is this? It's ini config.py. When I hit enter, you see that it first is giving me the sections. The sections are database and logging. Okay, first section we have this, it is database, and this part is for logging. And the database options is host, port, username, password, and also it is giving me the logging option, its label and file path. So right now we don't have the value for database option and logging option values. Okay, for each of them we need to change, bring some changes here. Okay, so I'm going to remove this part from this for loop. Okay, and in here let's again let's print, let's first go to new line and then print the section. Okay, just a moment. So print the section and then the options. Okay, we will be having the option, and down here I'm going to use another for loop. Okay, it's going to be option, and for each option also we have the value, right? So in ConfigParser we have it here dot items. Okay, and for each items I'm going to search for section. Okay, and down here I can print each of them just by using a print statement. Okay, so here first let's go with option, and it is equal to the value, and let's save it. This time once again let's run it. This time you see a better thing. Okay, we have the sections, it's database and logging. So database is equal to options, and host is equal to localhost, port is equal to this one, username admin, and password admin123, and login also like this, label, and also file path.